challenge. It is a medium problem today. 3346. Maximum frequency of an element after performing operation. Number 1. The intuitive way to solve this problem is brute force. If we can go through the all elements here and try to update this number to a new number in the range minus k to k, then we count the frequency of each number, we can get our answer with a complexity of ON3 with a 10 to the power of 5, 10 to the power of 5, and 10 to the power of 5. We can finish this problem in 10 to the power of 15 seconds. Obviously not seconds, loops. Obviously this is unacceptable. We have to optimize this solution. So how can we do that? Is there any pattern we can find for this array? Since we are looking for the maximum possible frequency of any elements, first thing we can notice for this array is all these number of operations numbers will be continuous. Otherwise, what's the point? Say if you have two group of numbers and these group number turn to A, these group numbers tend to B. It doesn't help for the maximum frequency. So we want to update those numbers into one same number instead of two or more. That's why I'm saying all these number operations are continuous. So this is the first thing we can notice. Second, no matter what result is, no matter what the final number is, say there is a point or a number in this range minus k to k, we want to update all the other numbers as much as possible into this window. Which means if we can do a loop for any number here, and if we count the frequency of numbers that fall in this smaller window, we're gonna know the maximum possible number in this range. And while moving this window from the beginning to the end, we can find out the maximum result. And this is a kind of a sliding window problem. Where we're gonna use two pointers for the border of the window here, the index for the left and the index for the right. Along with moving the window, we do a counting. And after the counting, we find out the maximum number, which is the result. These will be the two variables we use in this solution to trace the progress.